I was checking the feeds to make sure that everything's working well. And I wanted to remind people in this 2-minute tip about what's stopping you. And the reality is that, you know, challenges can't stop you. People can't stop you. Things can't stop you. If you're willing to move a hoard. Only you can stop you. And there's so many times where, and hey, I've had this same thing. You get started in your head and you start rolling around like it's a big deal. Then next thing you know, you're held back because you can't understand what needs to be done next. What's the challenge? And that's the most important time to rely on someone else other than the person in your head with that little chatter going on and telling you what you can't do, what's going to hold you back, what's going to stop you, what excuse can you use next. All the BS that comes just rolling around in your head. So take a moment, pause. When you run into roadblocks, when you run into challenges, when you run into obstacles, take a pause just for a moment, breathe deep, and ask yourself, is there someone that I know that I could get a new perspective on that would help me get past this place and where I am right now today? And who is that? How do I reach out to them? And asking for help is one of the most courageous things you can do. It's not a weakness. It's not a sign of weakness. It's not a sign of vulnerability. It's not anything other than validation that you are worth it. You can do this. You got it covered. Kindness is cool. Smiles are free. And you enjoy your day.